If YouTube TV says you're outside your home area, it means the app thinks you're in the wrong location. This often affects local channels, recordings, and live TV. Here's how to fix the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your current playback area. Open YouTube TV, go to your profile, and open the Settings menu. Find the Area section and make sure location permissions are allowed. If the app can't detect your location, YouTube TV may block local channels. Step 2. Connect to your home Wi-Fi. YouTube TV verifies your home area based on your home internet connection. If you're using mobile data or a hotspot, switch back to your home Wi-Fi network. This alone can instantly fix the error. Step 3. Update your home area if you moved or changed routers. If you recently moved, changed internet providers, or replaced your router, you may need to update your home area. On a computer, visit the YouTube TV website, go to Settings, open the Home Area section, and select Update while connected to your home Wi-Fi. Keep in mind, you can only update your home area 2 times per year. Step 4. If you're traveling while traveling, you can still watch national channels, but some local channels may be restricted until you return to your home area. This is normal behavior and not a problem with your account. Step 5. Turn off any VPN. If you're using a VPN, disable it. VPNs hide your actual location and often trigger the outside your home area error. Step 6. Restart your device. Restart your device and reopen YouTube TV. This refreshes your location detection and clears temporary errors. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.